Show off your manifesto. Technically you can call this an unboxing, but I've already unboxed this before. So this is a re-unboxing of the iFixit Manifesto poster. So yeah, here's the packaging pretty much. Fancy. Invoice. It's like seriously $1. Jeez Louise, even after like the 50 billionth time I can't get this thing out still. Failure. Alright, let's see if I can do this without ripping the poster apart. There she goes. Self-Repair Manifesto. Repair is better than recycling. Repair saves the planet. Repair tech teaches engineers. If you can't fix it, you don't own it. All of our rights. iFixit. Sweet. Can you say framing in the future?